Alright, what is going on, guys? Gang, we're back for another video. Yeah, sorry I haven't been streaming a lot lately, first and foremost. Been a lot of busy with work, but I do try and upload. Hope you guys have been enjoying the content. But yeah, I'm back. Well, I mean, I didn't go anywhere. But, you know what I'm talking about. Here for another video, and today I'm just gonna make some dark traps, see what I can come up with. Probably try and make like a, I don't know, maybe like a complex melody. Probably play around with it, see what I could do. And yeah, don't forget though, if you're still here, make sure follow me on Instagram. Links in the description and should be on the screen right now or something like that. Also, don't forget to join the Discord, okay? Once again, I know I haven't been active on streaming, but still trying to get back into doing that. So join the Discord so that when I do stream, you know, I get to see all your beats and stuff. You can submit your beats there and I can check them out. And yeah, let's just get into it. All right, no more wasting time. Maybe the next. And then I think I got an idea for the next video, but let me chill out. I'm gonna do something else for now. But I got an idea for the next video. All right, let me stop. with doing 3 lately, but I mean that's only because it's brand new. Well, to me at least, it's brand new to me. I like the sound. It's like what's that? It's like compressed, right? Is that what it is? Let me replace that one with Dune 3. And let me actually save this before you already know what happens. Number 7. Screw it. Let's try a better. Let's try Dune 3 again. That already sounds kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. Like, hold on a second. Let me add more reverb. Let me. Add my reverb or fruity reverb, how I like it, because kind of fire. Okay, and I'm gonna try and see if I can find a lead. If I can't find a lead, I'm gonna go straight to this area needs to turn off a little bit. actually add some like choir noises to that, like gate them so that they're not too like in your face. Make this a little faster. This is a little kind of slow. You know what? Oh, that's it. I'm gonna leave it there. This might be kind of a short video, but I mean, I guess I'm just like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, join the Discord, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.